In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train Claude AI to write like you. We'll start right in the browser. Open Google, then type Claude AI into the search bar. In the results, click the official Claude website. This ensures you're on the right platform and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're in, look for the Projects area. Projects let you set reusable instructions so Claude can consistently follow your style across different chats. Create a new project. Give it a clear, memorable name. For example, Persona Style Trainer works well because it reminds you what the setup is for. Next, write a short description that lays out the purpose. You can say that this project will analyze your writing samples, extract your tone, structure, vocabulary, and rhythm, and then reproduce that style consistently across any content you request. Keep the description focused, and avoid adding any personal or sensitive details. The goal is to define the behavior, not store private data. Click Create to save the project, then open the instructions section. Here's where you'll set the core instruction that teaches Claude how to behave inside this project. Paste or type an instruction such as, you want Claude to analyze your writing samples, build a style profile, apply that profile in all future responses without copying content verbatim, and proactively request more samples whenever needed. This tells Claude what to pay attention to and sets clear boundaries around originality. When you're happy with the wording, click Save Instructions. With the foundation in place, it's time to kick off a first prompt in the project. In the chat, write a concise request like this. You want a one-sentence summary of your full request for a writing style profile and a sample paragraph. This acts as a quick calibration step and confirms that Claude understands your request and can produce a short example in your voice. When you're ready, click Submit. A few quick tips as you proceed. When you share writing samples, include a representative mix. Emails, blog posts, and short notes all help Claude detect your tone and cadence. Remove any private information before you paste. If Claude's first pass isn't quite right, provide a sentence or two of feedback about what feels off. Maybe it's too formal, too casual, or missing your typical structure, and submit again. Iteration tightens the style profile quickly. That's it. You now have a reusable project that trains Claude to write like you, guided by clear instructions and examples, ready to apply your signature voice across anything you create.